Džordan, hi, welcome. So how do you feel first time in Belgrade as a host, let's say like that? How do you feel? What is your first impression about the city, about the new teammates, of course?
The city's been great so far. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I've been going around the city, seeing some things. Everything's been great. Then obviously all the guys have been great and helped me out since I've been here, so it's been good.
So what do you like the most?
Right now, I like the fact that it's super nice. The weather's great right now. You can walk outside. The food's been really good. But I've only been here 3-4 days, so I got to just keep learning.
So when you decided to come here in Crvene-Zvezda, how difficult was that decision, or it was not difficult at all?
Obviously, I had, some decisions to make in coming here, but once I had my mindset, I talked to the coach a few times and some of the guys who played here. It wasn't difficult after I had those conversations, and I knew pretty quickly I wanted to come play here.
Did you have the chance to talk with Darko Rajakovic? You played with him in Toronto Raptors. Did you maybe talk about Serbian basketball here, about Red Star? He became coach here.
Yeah, so Darko was texting me throughout the season when I was at Efesu, and texted me about this too. So, he's a guy. Obviously, I played for him. Great coach. And he obviously loves European basketball and had a little bit of input, so it was good, yeah.
So what is the main ambition for this season?
The main ambition for this season is just, I think for everybody, including myself, just do our jobs, every day and win games.
What can we expect from you this season?
Just, continuous improvement, play hard, and just go out there and do my job. What coach asked me to do, I'm going to go do. So.
Jordan, do you believe that your season with another life has helped you adapt and that you're now, fully ready to show your potential this second year?
Yeah, obviously coming from the NBA to Europe last year, it was a big adjustment for me, but I feel like now, having that year under my belt, I know what to expect. I think I'm in a great situation here, and I'm just ready to show it.
Do you have any message for the fans? Because you know how they are passionate about basketball and about this club.
I think my only message would be we're just going to go out there, do our jobs, and make you guys proud.
How do you feel about your new teammates, especially since it's a pretty new team with a lot of new signings?
I feel great about the new teammates. We already are joking about it. I mean, I feel like we have Team Nigeria here. Obviously, a lot of us are Nigerians. But the other guys, everybody's been great, like I said, especially, welcoming to the city, the guys who have been here, showing me around. And then on the court, we're all getting along. Everybody's, great guys, so I'm just excited for the season and getting to play with them.
How important do you think will that Nigerian core be for the results this season?
I think it'll be really important. I think we all bring different traits and qualities to the team. Obviously, we've played together before in some national events, so I think it's going to be super important, especially having a little bit more of that chemistry with coming from different teams.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.